done. All right, I had somebody ask about the dust collection system here in the new carving shop. It's not the dust eater, is it?
No, it's not that bad.
Board, I might wear this because it does shoot it up in my face.
Yeah.
All right. Love it. You can spin around. I am not a fan of friendly products. When I've ordered 3 things, and each time they've been effed up. Just because they're cheap-ass shipping boxes of styrofoam.
It's horrible.
Horrible. The only thing they really went out of the way to take care of was the pneumatic sander. This is what we did just to get it fired up. This is the old bench from the trailer. All I did is cut a, I don't know, 4 by 11, whatever that air duct is from Home Depot. Put that in there. Just ran that flexible pipe in there, so it works good enough. That is my dust collection system. Is it sexy? I don't know. I don't know.